Well, it's Sunday morning, about 10:30. We're up on Boggs Mountain State Forest. We're going to do a hike on several trails, hopefully make about a 4 or 5 mile loop. It's 37 degrees up here currently, partly cloudy. There is some sun, but here we are starting out on Gale's Trail from the ranger station on Boggs Mountain State Forest. Coming up on a creek crossing, short way into Gale's Trail. Continuing up the trail after the creek crossing, and we're going to be the valley fire in 2015 did burn through this area, but there are still a fair number of live trees in here. It is a beautiful day out here, despite the areas of clouds and the cold. Still nice being out here. A little bit of snow on the ground up on top of that peak, straight across. Looking straight ahead, you can see a lot of the burned area. But again, there's still live timber that survived. Eventually the forest will come back to regenerate itself in all those burned areas. Look up ahead, the clouds do look a little threatening, and we've actually got a few little snow crystals falling. I'm sure you can't see it in the camera, they're very tiny, but there are a few blowing around. A pretty good wind gust coming up again. Trees ahead of me are moving pretty good. Not sure how well the camera will pick it up, but definitely pretty good gusts up there. Just coming up on top of this ridge here, where this live timber is. It's getting some pretty good wind gusts right now. And here's a tree that fell. It looks pretty fresh. There's several live trees that have come down.
Some of the trees are like really blowing and swaying, and some of them are like solid. I mean, you can see the tips probably are swaying, but the bottoms are pretty stable.
Yeah. Hey, Benny. You're going to cross another road. and then continue on Gale's Trail. Starting to open up in here. And we're getting the wind again. A pretty good gust blowing. Just intersected Road 600, dropped down to Road 500, and dropped off the trail for a little while. We're going to walk north on this Road 500. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We finished the Boggs Mountain Forest hike. You can see the trail map here behind us. And we did about 5 miles today. Pretty cloudy most of the way. The temperature fluctuated between 33 and 38 degrees. And several times we did have small snowflakes coming down, as well as quite a bit of wind. So it was a chilly hike, especially towards the end when the wind was blowing pretty good and the snow was coming down a little harder. Anyway, it was still a great hike. Like I said, about 5 miles and good workout, and we'll look forward to doing a different trail the next time.